Here I have Motorola Moto G34, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So first let's go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. So just by tapping on it you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions to this mode. You can add people, you can add apps, you can add alarms and other interruptions. You can also set up a schedule for this mode, like select days on which it will be active, start time, end time, and stuff. You can also set up default duration of this mode, and you can display options for hidden notifications, like you can disable sound from notifications while Do Not Disturb mode is on. You can disable visuals or sound, or you can disable, customize it for yourself. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.